Why are you flying?
Because I watched a tutorial.
On YouTube?
2 videos, actually.
We're gonna crash!
Relax, autopilot.
What autopilot?
Exactly.
Relax, I know these streets.
Bro, this is the wrong lane.
Wrong lane? I call it adventure.
We're gonna crash!
Nonsense, I have a perfect record.
Perfect record? You ran a stop sign twice!
Details.
I can't handle this!
You'll thank me later.
I'm getting strong today.
You said that yesterday.
Today feels different.
You lifted 1 weight.
A heavy one.
Slow down.
I am slow. This is my slow.
Your dog finally got his license, and your cat is regretting every life choice. Don't forget to subscribe for more chaos.
To drive everything. The dog needs therapy. Oh. Subscribe if you trust your pet behind the wheel.
Stole the car and the treats. The ultimate getaway team. Support our furry outlaws, subscribe, and check the link in bio for our art bundle.
Alright, buddy, I need the keyboard back. Come on, let's scoot you over. Very dramatic, but really I have to type. You're not moving, are you? Fine, you win, for now.
Doesn't matter, just run!
Are they chasing us?
Yep, I'll explain later. Faster!
I hate checkups.
Freedom, baby!
Relax, I know these streets.
Bro, this is the wrong lane!
It's a shortcut, trust me.
Trust you? There's a taxi coming straight at us!
He'll move.
I'm not insured for this, man.